These three traders you see on the screen made over $500,000 in the past 24 hours. And the best part is you can see all of their trades publicly on FOMO app. And for this reason, I will do a full tutorial how to use FOMO app, how to find these profitable traders, the full setup, the depositing, the withdrawals. And before we dig deeper, I need to remind you, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. So first up, before we use FOMO app, of course, we have to log in. It's really simple. You can log in using your email. Also, you can find the link in description and top comment. If you use my link, you get additional 10% on future trading fees. So if you plan to trade serious, of course, this money will add up and you will save a lot of money with this 10% discount. And next up, we have two different platforms where you can trade. So first of all, on the screen, you can see the desktop app, but also they have really great mobile app, which is also open my phone. And in this video, I will jump sometimes to mobile app to show you some additional features. For example, there's more depositing features and buying crypto features. And also, of course, if you're outside, and this allows you to continue trading and hopefully making money when you're not at home or office or wherever you trade. So first of all, let's jump into the FOMO.family website. Again, the link in the description. And let's talk about all the benefits and why the professionals like Orange, Ansem use this same app to actually make more money. So first of all, they have this leaderboard, which is really powerful. I will talk about it much more, but you can find the best traders and the best tokens of the day, of the month, of the week. And this is basically where the money is made. Next up, they have this feed. So when you follow these professional traders, you get alerts to your phone or desktop, and you can instantly buy these winning tokens. And what's also really cool, they have this multi-chain and gasless buying option. So basically, you can buy any token using USDC, even if it's on Robinhood, or on BNB, or Solana. And of course, this will make your life easier, less fees, less jumping between different platforms and chains. So now let's jump into actual dashboard. Let's click login because I already have the account. So of course, first of all, we have to deposit some funds. To do that, you can hover right here on the right corner. You can see in this demo account, I have $10 and click deposit. After that, you can click on crypto and select what chain do you want to use. For example, Robinhood chain, and then send USDC to this wallet or this QR code. Because as I mentioned on FOMO app, you always buy using USDC and also sell using USDC. This is way better because, again, you don't have to jump between different chains. For example, this token is on Robinhood and you can still buy it using USDC on this platform without switching any chains. And the same goes with withdrawing, which again is extremely beginner friendly and makes your life way easier. And if we're talking about depositing, if you're on the desktop app, you only have the crypto option. But if you jump into mobile app and click deposit, we also have debit options. So you can actually deposit funds using different cards. And also we have exchanges and apps, for example, Coinbase, Revolut, or you can even use Apple Pay. And I don't know why they have different options for different platforms, but again, really great tip. If you want to add money with a card, use the phone. If you want to add money with crypto, you can use desktop app. So once you deposit the funds, you can see the money will appear right here, and you can deposit more or withdraw your funds right here. Really simple, like with Axiom or any other trading platform. And now let's talk about why everyone's using this platform. So everyone is using this platform because of the leaderboard. So if you click right here on the leaderboard, you can see the traders that are making the most profit. And you can actually filter by 24 hours. So you can see, for example, these guys I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Poor Goat made almost $1 million in the past 24 hours. Ethermonk made 748,000, and you can also filter by 7 days. So you can see this guy made almost 2 million. 30 days, Poor Goat made over 2 million. And if you go all, you can see Poor Goat is closing in on $3 million. And the main feature is, if you go to his account, you can see what tokens he is buying. So on top, you can see the top profitable trades he made. Also the open positions, which means what tokens he is still holding right here, the open, and close. These are the positions he closed, basically what tokens he already sold and he is not trading anymore. And right now you can see he's holding a crazy amount of Kate token, which is $1.7 million in profits on his position. So if you click on the token, you can also see where he bought the token and where he is selling, and also what he's writing. So these texts are actually him telling why he is buying. So sometimes it's going to be some kind of joke. Sometimes maybe he has some insider information. So I read it sometimes. You don't have to read it because, for example, he has some like stupid things sometimes. But yeah, this is really important because you can see when is he buying. So he bought lots in this low, but he also bought some at the top. I also checked before doing this video. He didn't buy a lot at the top. He bought only like $300 and $2 at the top, which is They are not crazy, and he bought way more right here at the bottom. So again, this is really cool because you can analyze what he's buying and when he's buying. And another really important factor is how long this account is holding tokens. So if you hover right here, you can see he's holding his position on average for 1 day, 18 hours, which is really important for us because if you plan to copy their strategy, you don't want to copy traders that are actually buying and selling in seconds or in minutes, because usually this means they will dump on their copy traders, and this is not really profitable trader, just the dumper on his following. So for example, 1 day, 18 hours mean if the guy buys a token, you still have time to actually check it on your phone because you get alerts, or check it on your desktop to see what he's buying. Maybe he will explain why he's buying, and after checking all the information and of course making the decision yourself, you can buy the token or skip the token. So what's really important, of course, you have to follow the trader to get a notification, and to do that is really easy. Just click follow. You can see this guy has 436,000 followers, which is crazy. So if he buys a token, the price will move because everyone wants to make similar amounts as him. And I want to give one more tip. If you're following these guys' strategy with so many followers, I would recommend you to make your own decisions when to sell, because when these guys sell these crazy positions like 1.5 million or something like that, the token will drop like crazy and people will sell after that, and usually the price will crash. So you actually have to time sell yourself. So don't get too greedy. Buy after the guy, but sell yourself. This will make you more profit. So once you're following a trader, all of his trades will appear in your alerts. So you can see I'm actually following more than one trader. I'm following Change, I'm following Poor Goat, I'm also following Sir Avocado. So I'm actually following lots of different traders I like, and you get all the notifications about what they're doing. So when they're buying, when they're selling, you can also filter these traders. For example, if you want to see only Poor Goat, you can select Poor Goat. So just select everyone else, select Poor Goat, and after that you're going to see only Poor Goat notifications. But for this example, let's select all of them. Next up, you can filter by the buy sizes and portfolio sizes, also market cap of the tokens. This will allow you to see only tokens that fit your parameters. I don't do it because I want to see what's popular and what everyone's buying, because even if you're not buying, you can see maybe all the big wallets are buying, for example, Elon Musk tokens. So this allows you to know now the new hype is Elon Musk tokens. So you can actually scan the web, Axiom, or any of the bots and buy some fresh Elon Musk tokens, hoping to actually catch it at the bottom. Again, this could be a good way to find what's the new meta. But again, the best use case is going to the leaderboard, scanning who is making the most money. For example, this guy, he's holding 1 day, 15 hours. Follow the guy, open the alerts. Also, you will get the same alerts notifications on your phone. So if you're outside, if you're partying, for example, or on the beach, you will get notification that the guy, for example, Poor Goat, just bought a new token. You can actually open your phone, see the token, do your research, and you can buy the same token on your phone. So actually the mobile app is really similar. The only difference is you get more information on the screen. Also, the layout is better. And of course, if you have notifications which are right here, you get a signal. It's way easier to react than on your phone. But again, for each its own. So now you found the traders on the leaderboard, you're following them, and you get alert. For example, you get alert that Poor Goat bought this token. Let's click on it. We have the chart. You can also filter the chart by different time periods. You can get all the different indicators. You can see it by price. So you can see the price of the token, also market cap. I recommend you going with the market cap. Next up on the chart, you can see when the people you're following bought the token. So as I mentioned, I'm following lots of different traders. So you can see they bought lots of this token. And if you scroll down, you can see all the different positions of these professional traders from the leaderboards. For example, Poor Goat is up 1.7 million, and this is the position is holding. Aurelius is holding this position. Also, you can see their average entry, and also you can see their fees, basically why they bought the token. As I mentioned, sometimes some kind of joke, but sometimes they have some strategy or some kind of insider information. So don't take it for their word, but you can check it. Why not? So if you like the token also, and if you want to buy it, you can select right here the amount and click buy. Let's click buy, let's wait for it, and you can see we have our position. You can see where we bought it. If we remove the my thesis, you can see only my buys right here, and you can see if you're making money or losing money right here. And as I mentioned, you can even write your own thesis, basically why you bought it, if you have something good to say, or if you want to joke, of course. And by the way, we get some simple information right here on the top for the price, for the 24-hour change, for the volumes, for the liquidity of the token, how many holders this token has, and top 10 holders are holding this amount, which is actually pretty big for this size token. Next up, you can also see all the trending tokens for crypto, most held. So basically, you can find what's popular right now. I don't use it as often because there's lots of not really high quality tokens or people just trying to game the system. Also, again, we have the leaderboard. We have the feed of all the different professionals buying and selling. This is also interesting. So, for example, if the alerts are not active and people who you are following are not buying, can go to the feed and see more information. So basically see what's trending, maybe find some interesting tokens. For example, this guy bought this token, Mars token, for $18,000 at this market cap. So let's click on it and let's see what's happening. Let's open Thesis, basically all the wallets. So yeah, lots of people are buying this token. Let's see who's holding how much. So the team is holding this amount. You can see also these guys made a lot of money. Aurelius is also making money on this token. So again, this is really a great way to find tokens if you're bored, because something is happening always on the feed. If you want to take it much slower and only trade with the traders you like, then use alerts. And again, you get notifications on your phone with the sound, and also you get notifications on your phone, and you can buy and sell on your phone, same as on this platform. So basically that's it. Again, you can find my link in the description. This will give you 10% discount on all the future fees. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments, subscribe, and see you next time.